Studying English with traditional textbooks can be boring. Sometimes you feel like your development has stopped because the content is too robotic. But do you know that your hobbies can actually be your best teachers? Yes, it's true. Today I'm going to share how the things you love can accelerate your English learning. I've not said that I learn much more when I read about my country or my favorite sports than when I'm just staring at a grammar book. Although, yes, I still study grammar sometimes, there is actually a scientific reason for this, and today we'll explore three powerful theories. The first theory is the affective filter hypothesis, developed by linguist Stephen Krashen. He explained that when you are forced to study something boring, your stress levels go up. This creates an emotional block, the filter, that stops new information from reaching your brain. However, when you study a topic you love, that filter drops. Your brain understands that the information is precious to you and the windows to your long-term memory fly wide open. Passion is the key to memory. The second theory is the level of processing framework by Craig and Lockhart. They discovered that the retention of new words depends on how deeply we process them. If you just read a list of verbs, your brain will likely delete them because there is no context. That's shallow processing. But if you analyze a complex problem in English regarding hobby and joy, your brain works much harder. You start using English as a tool, no just a subject, and deep neural links are created. Finally, we have the flow state, a concept created by Mihai Csikszentmihalyi. Flow happens when a challenge meets your skill level perfectly. When you engage with a topic you are already an expert in, like football, cooking, you enter a state of total immersion. You lose track of time because you already know the content. Your brain can focus 100% on the language used to describe it. Now, how can you apply this? Let's start with music. Songs are great for training your ears and learning slang. Just remember the lyrics are poetic and melodic, so the rhyming is different from a normal conversation. If you love movies or TV shows, you have a golden thread. Use English subtitles. Don't watch with subtitles in your native language, or your brain will just lays out and listen to the translation. I personally love Superstore because of the natural workplace dialogues, and if any streaming service wants to sponsor me to say their name, I'm available. About books, choose an author you are fan of. My favorite is good, so I would choose a classic like Faust. Reading what you enjoy makes the vocabulary stick much better than any exercise book. And of course, there is YouTube, whether it's travel vlogs, curiosities, or football, search for it in English. I spend hours watching videos about global cultures and funny content. The key is to identify your obsession and turn it into your classroom. Stop treating English like a chore and starting treating it like a bridge to your hobbies. When you enjoy the process, the fluency comes naturally. If you found this scientific approach helpful, please subscribe and hit the like button. And tell me in the comments, what is the one hobby or them you are going to choose to study English this week. See you in the next video.